Hello, this is a video tutorial on the STR Business License application. First, I'm going to show you the documents you need to have completed and ready to upload before filling out the application. Everyone will need to have a completed inspection report. Our example is currently on the screen. A renewal application will need the same inspection report and last year's city-issued STR business license. A new application for an STR in a residential zone will need a special use permit, along with the inspection report. The portal will ask that these documents be attached. Unfortunately, if the attachments are missing or incorrect, the software will deny the application and cause a delay in approval because you will have to start over again. If you do not have these completed and ready to upload, you are not ready to proceed with the application. In this case, you will need to go to www.cityhs.net/STR and request an inspection and/or apply for a special use permit by going through the STR application steps found on the left side of the screen. Let me say that our goal is to approve your application as quickly as possible, which includes you attaching those completed documents and making a payment in the application process. If you have these specific documents ready, you can go directly to the STR application link under Step 3 on the STR application steps. Once you've clicked on the link, you will be able to go directly to the application. If you need assistance, check out these tutorials, continue watching this video, or check out our PDF step-by-step instruction guide. We are using new software called Granicus and will need everyone to apply as a new STR license, regardless if you had a license in 2021. For the next step, if you did have a license last year, this is where you want to click Yes and put in your business license number, which can be found on your city business license. If you did not have a license last year, click No. Afterwards, you will need to choose if you are in a residential zone or a non-residential zone. For this information, visit your inspection report. We are in a commercial zone, so we are not in a residential area. On this next step, it's just confirming that you have the current documents completed and ready to upload. On this step, you will need to put in your property ID that you are applying for. To find that, you can go directly to your inspection report and look up your parcel ID, or if it's easier, you can go to the Garland County Assessor site. Once the property ID is inserted into the field, this will automatically populate the address. If it's not correct, update it now. Does your property have a unit number? Click yes or no. Ours does not. And here you'll want to put in your personal information. And then put in your mailing address. And make sure you don't forget to put in the state. Here's where you'll want to put in your phone number and your email address. This next step, you will be able to insert a 24/7 emergency contact. If an STR owner lives out of state or out of town, a local person would need to be provided in case of an emergency. Here's where you'll give their phone number. And for the next couple steps, please refer back to your inspection report. STR has 10 bedrooms. How many spaces do we have for parking? 10. What is the max occupancy of the property? 22. Here, you'll need to upload your completed forms. And just as a reminder, if the attachments are missing or incorrect, the software will deny the application and cause a delay in approval because you will have to start over again. Once that's completed, it's going to show you a summary of payment methods. So you can either pay by bank account or credit or debit card. And if you want to know specific fees, go ahead and hit the drop down menu and it'll show you the different options. Go ahead and hit next. And on this summary, you'll be able to edit anything that needs to be corrected. So if you find something, such as our emergency contact phone number, we can go over and click this little pencil on the right hand side and it'll take us directly to that question so we can correct it. Go ahead and hit next and it will give you another opportunity to verify all the information is correct. And of course your documents will still be uploaded. And here's your summary of fees. And then here's your summary of information. So once everything is double checked and correct, go ahead and hit next. On this step, you'll just need to certify under penalty of perjury that this and all information is accurate and that you are the authorized person to submit this application. And we'll also need you to sign electronically. So to do that, go ahead and hit the left mouse button if you're using a mouse, or use your finger on a touchscreen. And if you mess up, go ahead and hit that clear signature and try it again. And once that's completed, go ahead and hit next. And then here's where you'll need to put in your payment method information. Once completed, you'll receive a confirmation. Afterward, the Planning and Development Department will follow up as soon as possible with the next steps to proceed. For more information, feel free to read over the information at www.cityhs.net/STR or call our STR coordinator at 501-762-5173.